All right, good evening once again. I hope you're all doing well, and we are here to analyze FOMC. The Fed will be releasing their interest rate for the US dollar, and the data will be released in the next 5 minutes. Currently, I'm not seeing what's going to happen on gold, but obviously, I'm anticipating that they could maintain the rate this time around. So, as you can see from my screen here, we have 4 minutes left, and the rates have been maintained for the past few months now, currently sitting at 3.5%. And gold has been bullish throughout the day as well, right from 43.20, and currently is somewhere around the daily resistance at the moment. But it looks like the bullish pressure is still high. Let me lower this. It still looks like the bullish pressure is still very, very, very high. Yeah, the bullish pressure is still high. So I'm still waiting to find a clear cut setup before we can get in. I'm still waiting. 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 Let me check on YouTube as well. Let me check on YouTube as well. We dropped the link too. So I just dropped the link for YouTube as well. So those of you who can log on via Telegram, you can also have access to this live on YouTube as well. So I just sent the link to my community. So yeah, we have 2 minutes left. Still cannot find anything interesting going on. Still cannot find anything interesting. I'm going to trade, but once I see my setup play out, I'm going to trade. But this one that this bullish movement keeps moving all the way to the upside. Let's see. Let's see. So a quick analysis from here, we see a strong area of resistance around the daily level here, right? And you could see the price actually came all the way from a weekly demand that was around 4,100, and price has been buying. We actually began the week with this huge gap, okay, and the gap has still not been filled yet, but I'm still seeing that the bullish pressure is still high, as you can see. So my best guess was that gold could react from this resistance and possibly come down, hopefully close up the gap before possible continuation back to the upside, but I'm not seeing that happen. So right at the 4 hour, I'm seeing a clear ranging right from 4,300 to 43.65, and I see there's a breakout as well. Price trying to break out of the range to the upside, but where price is actually breaking out is where the daily supply zone actually lies. So I'm still yet to see what is going to happen once the data has been released. As you can see, You see the data being released, and this is strange. My internet is shutting down. This is serious. This is serious. This is serious. This is serious. Pain. So you can see that right from the supply zone, price has reacted very well. Really strong sell pushing down. Wait. This is serious. So the rate will actually maintain 3.75. I don't understand why gold is selling heavily. Damn. This is serious.
If it wasn't for love, I wouldn't be here.
I think there's going to be more drops on gold, but
Through the sorrow, through the pain,
if we enter now, the SL will be very, very big.
Still remains. I have faith. I have faith.
I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting.
Born in fire, born in rain. Through the loss, through the pain. Every scar, every breath brought me back from the edge. Voices calling from before. Ancient souls at my door. I can feel them in my veins. Through the storm, I remain. Do you feel it deep inside? Something you cannot deny. When the world pulls you down, there's a light in the sound. I have faith. I have faith in my soul, in my way. I have faith. I have faith. I won't break. I won't fade.
Damn. This is serious. I don't even know whether to call this out.
Try to tell me who I am. Try to break me once again. But the voice deep within says I rise every time. I will fly through the sky like an eagle. I won't hide. Every dream, every fight brings me back to my light. Maybe small, like a sea, still enough.
I have a huge drop, 450 pips.
Move the mountains in my way with the faith that I hold. No fear, no limit, no name can define it. What's inside? I align it, I align it, I align it, I align it, I align it.
Hmm.
In the dust, we remember. Where the shadows still remain, dancing slowly through the flame. Ancient footsteps in the sand, echoes from another land. Hearts move softly with the tide, like the spirits never died. Every whisper in the dark leaves another glowing arc. Touch me once before you fade, before the night dissolves away. Sacred silence, hold me close. Some stories never told. Move with me through the distant memories. Stay with me where the spirits still breathe. Closer now, don't drift away. Breathe with me, spirit.
Can't jump. I'm just stunned.
Move with me. Breathe slowly. Every shadow on the wall feels like hearing ancient call. Smoke is rising through the night, carrying forgotten light. Every heartbeat like a drum tells me where my soul is from. In the silence I can hear all the ones still standing near. Hold me in the space between where the dancing can be seen. No more fear, no disguise, only rhythm, only light. Time moving slow in circles now, lost souls dancing through the crowd. No beginning, no goodbye, only rhythm, only sky. Dust and fire in my veins, washing slowly through the pain. Used to living in my blood, flowing deeper than love. Time is just a circle drawn from the dusk until the dawn. Time is just a circle drawn. We continue moving on. Move with me through the dust and memory. Stay with me where the spirit still breathes. Closer now, don't drift away. Breathe with me, spirit, stay.
Hmm. To be honest, I don't even know what to say. Those who are texting me to send me it, for me to send them it, I don't know what's going on.
We are shadows.
That's why I'm silent. I can't see what's going on at the moment. All I can see is that there's a break out of this range. So I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for a possible retest, then we go in for sales. But I'm hoping that it doesn't close the gap before it moves up. But this sales is very wild. Very, very wild. Very, very wild. 5 minutes has closed. We have 15 minutes. We have 2 minutes left for the 15 minutes candle to also close as well. I'm still not in any trade. I'm waiting. What a sale. What a sale. Dang. Guys. Okay. Nah, 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 no, no. I even doubt there is even going to be a retest. But let's see. Let me check. I'm looking for a possible retest around 43 100, then we can possibly get in for sales. 15 minutes also close very, very well. 5 minutes close very well. So I'm waiting to see if price would retest the red line. Then we can possibly get in for sales.
If it wasn't for love,
Right, let's see.
through the sorrow, through the pain, something in me.
4305.23. I'll be selling exactly around the red line. So it's even there. Let me copy the SL.
Born in fire, born in rain, through the loss, through the pain, every scar, every breath brought me back from the edge. Voices calling from before, ancient souls at my door. I can feel them in my veins through the storm.
TP open.
You feel it deep inside. Something you cannot
Okay, I'm getting in. I'm getting in for sales.
pulls you down. There's a light in the sound.
I'm getting in for sales. I'm getting in for sales.
No fear, no fear, no fear. I move in silence, no chains, I break the violence. Deep breath, I feel the guidance. My soul is my alliance. No name can ever define me. No past can stay behind me. I rise when life reminds me. The light is always inside me. Try to tell me who I am. Try to break me once again. But the voice deep within says I rise every time. I will fly through the sky like an eagle. I won't hide. Every dream, every fight brings me back to my life. Maybe small, like the sea, still enough to believe. Move the mountains in my way with the faith that I hold. Step slow to the ground, no rush to the sound. One life, one flame, no fear, no shame. Fall down, rise again. Lost once, found again. Deep soul, never break. All I need is my faith.
Let's see. I'm in a cell, guys. I'm in a cell. I'm in a cell now. I'm in a cell now.
Through the sorrow, through the pain,
My first take profit will be around 42.76.
still remains. Morning fire, morning rain, through the loss, through the pain, every scar, every breath brought me back from the edge. Voices calling from before, ancient souls at my door. I can feel them in my veins. Through the storm, I remain. Do you feel it deep inside? Something you cannot deny. When the world pulls you down, there's a light in the sound. I have faith, I have faith in my soul, in my way. I have faith, I have faith. I won't break.
Parameters will be shared in the VIP.
Tried to tell me who I am, tried to break me once again, but the voice deep within says I rise every time. I will fly through the sky like an eagle. I won't hide. Every dream, every fight brings me back to my life. Maybe small, like a seed, still enough to believe. Move the mountains in my way with the faith that I hold. No fear, no limit
I think we are up 60 pips.
can define it. What's inside? I align.
We are up 60 pips. Just hope this thing doesn't reverse. Okay. We are up by 80 pips. Good. Good, 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 good. Nice. Alright. 120, 130, 130 pips. More drops, more drops, more drops, more drops. Great, 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 great. 200, 200, 200, 200 pips. Are you in the trade? Great. I'm closing some partials. Closing some partials. It pays to wait all the time. It pays to wait all the time. It pays to wait all the time. $200. It pays to wait all the time. I've secured some profit, guys.
Something deep within. Ancient water moving slow. Through the places no one knows.
If you took the trade, let me know if you took the trade.
Every heartbeat in the tide calls the hidden soul alive. Touch me once before returns, while the sacred fire burns. Let it rise, let it flow. Let the rhythm take control.
I'm updating the community. More drops on gold, 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 more drops on gold. More drops on gold.
Let it go. Heavy water over stone.
More drops on gold.
Guiding restless spirits home. Shadows dancing underneath.
More drops on gold.
Memories from sleep. Every wave becomes a sign. Every echo speaks through time.
More drops on gold.
In the undertone I hear something ancient drawing near. Speak to me out of the blue, like the river always knew. No more fear, no disguise. Only water, only light. Slow motion under moonlight skies.
So currently we did close to 200 pips. We are hoping to see that our final TP will be hit.
Let the water hear the game.
Then possibly we could have more drops.
Inside the groove, heavy soul finally released. Tidal rhythm bringing peace. Out of the deep,
So nobody took the trade.
calling me.
Because I'm not seeing anyone saying anything about the trade.
Spirit underneath.
I'm not seeing anyone say anything about the trade.
Let the silence breathe. Out of the deep,
Who took the trade?
you are flowing through.
Let me check.
Spirit breathe. Spirit breathe.
You were late with the entry. How were you late? I drew the line, guys. I drew the line. I said I was going to sell at the red line. I told you guys I'll be selling at the red line. Or you were scared? I sent the exact price in the VIP. I sent a limit order at 4305.23. Exactly at this point. This is the price. 4305.23. Those of us who are watching, I said that I'll be selling around the red line. So when it gets to Can you lower the volume? Okay, okay, okay. Sure, sure, sure. I'll do that. I hope it's okay. I have to be calm. I'm not a noisemaker. Whether we win or lose, I'm still the same. I don't make noise. Sharp reversal. Exactly, that's experience for you. That's experience for you. At this point, gold is mad. Gold is very, very mad. You couldn't hit our SL before reversing. Gold is mad at me. So he wants to be aggressively he wants to move aggressively and hit my SL. Are you seeing what is happening? At the same entry, second tap of the same entry and it's dropping. It was just hunting those who had break even. And it's moving up again. Crazy, crazy gold movement. Crazy, crazy gold movement. It's good I secured some profit before reversing. Strongly really good wants to sell again, but let's see. You see, how did the life end? Someone said that life ended. I'm still on. All right. Have you seen what gold is doing? Have you seen what gold is doing? Have you seen what gold is doing? Just came to wake our SL and just dropped. After fetching us 200 pips. Still moving down. Still moving down. Kudos to you if you took the trade. Kudos to you if you took the trade. I was able to do a quick scalp and made $10 in a second. You had 4308, but you forgot to close. Wow. Sorry about that. At this point, open TP. At this point, I think it wants to close the gap. So you can place your TP at 4246.14. At this point, I think it really wants to close the gap now. You're welcome, Soundo. Sold from 08, so good profit. Okay, great, Grant. That was great. That was great. That was a quick one, and we managed to recover. If you want to link up on WhatsApp, you can reach out to me on Telegram. Okay, that's my username on the top over there. But I think my number is on my Telegram profile too, so you can check it out. But I think you can reach me out faster on Telegram at Nana_FX. at Nana_FX. So if you can see on the screen that I have my Telegram handle at Nana_FX. At this point, I can't claim the rest of the pips because it hit my SL before coming down. So I can only boast of 200 pips at the moment. Wow, nice. Please, when do you stop coming live on? I come on live every Wednesdays and Fridays, and the time will depend. So mostly, I'm very active during the New York session. So right from 11 a.m., 10 a.m., I will definitely be on live. 11 a.m. GMT, 10 a.m. GMT. And then on Sunday, we break down the chart at 7:30 p.m. GMT. The reality of good entry. You see, it's still reacting from the entry. Still reacting around the same entry. Still reacting around the same entry. I wish I could call another cell. Yeah, so Wednesdays around the New York session, looks like gold is creating a downtrend. Yes, let's see what's happening from the higher time frame. From the higher time frame, I see reactions from. Remember, I told you guys that gold would react from a strong supply area. I think that was where the sell actually started from, but I couldn't find any strong confirmation, so I could have called it around this area. I called sales earlier, but we were stopped out because I was seeing a bearish movement, but we were stopped out. So I think when the data was released, that was what caused this huge sell over here, right from 43.80. Then at this point, it's trying to break below the zone. So with our trade, I saw a breakout from the lower time frame, 15 minutes and 5 minutes to be precise. So I just waited for a retest of the zone. Then that was what caused the sell at the moment. Okay, so you can see that clearly price is actually battling around the zone because a closure back into the zone would cause more buys. But if the 1 hour doesn't respect this level and closes below the zone, we could have gold continue all the way to the downside again. But because we just got a winning trade, I don't want to be too greedy. I wouldn't want to be calling too many signals. But if you still want to take some more risk, this is what I'm saying. Possible sales might continue, but it is advisable that you wait for the 1 hour candle to close, because currently the lower time frame show is already over. The lower time frame sales is currently over. So currently we have like 80 minutes left for the um our candle to close, and this can really influence price movement at the moment, because right from this candle, a closure below could cause more sales, right? So at this point, it's best that you wait to see what happens before you can get in for sales again, because nothing is actually guaranteed now. Nothing is actually guaranteed now. Don't be surprised if gold starts buying from here too, because this area is a strong area too. Strong area, right? I don't know why gold opened with a gap last Sunday and it still has not filled it yet. So with that, psychologically you'll be thinking that okay, the gap must be filled, and for the gap to be filled, it means that you'll be looking out for more sales on gold for the gap to be filled. So psychologically you'd pick a sell bias. That's why I think most of us were actually selling, you know, during the London and then the New York sessions. So you're still waiting. To me, I don't think I'm gonna call another trade again. The noise is too much for me. The noise is too much for me. The noise is too much for me. You don't use Mr. Finest. You don't use Telegram. Okay, let me drop my contact. Let me drop my contact. Let me drop my contract my contact on the screen. 05493. Alright, so if you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, that's my contact. So Mr. Finest, you can reach me out. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Deadly. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp on the number on the screen. You see? You see gold is rejecting the level. You see gold is rejecting the level. Nothing changes. You see gold is rejecting the level. Gold is rejecting the level. Let me take this one out. Yeah. Strong rejection. Strong rejection. And that's why I don't know what gold wants to do. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Mr. Finance, I hope you have the number now. Hey, let me check on my YouTube, guys. Let me check on the YouTube. Great. This It's my first time being on YouTube, so I don't really know how to go about this. Let me see if I can.
We don't ever wanna come down into the sun. We are lost and found. Closer now, feel it now, higher now. Don't come down, closer now, feel it now, higher now. Don't come down. Late night moving through the fire, one rhythm taking us higher. No fear when the bass line calls, hands in the air when the sunset falls. We don't sleep, we don't hide. Feel that energy multiply. Slow motion in the flashing lights. Whole crowd
Yeah, it's moving up.
soft winds over golden sky. I see freedom in your eyes. No tomorrow, no goodbye. Only now, only tonight. Closer now, closer now. Feel your energy all around. Higher, higher. Into the
Those who are asking me if you want to buy, I don't know. Unless I wait for the 1 hour to close very well. Unless we wait for the 1 hour to close very well.
into the light.
You want me to go against my own rules, eh? You want me to call more than 2 trades in a day?
Let the wind.
Let's wait. Let's wait for the 1 hour to close.
Feel the dust upon my skin. Old memories will.
But looking at the structure from the lower time frame, looking at the structure from the lower time frame,
Ancient voices through the night.
it looks like this could be a potential higher high. There may be a higher low and push up.
Something deeper turning me. Touch me once before you.
Yeah. Lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower low, breakout, higher high, higher low. So this could also be possible. Those of you who still want to risk more, this could be possible. This could also be possible. But the only argument here, this could also be possible. This could also be possible. But the only argument here is that the 1 hour, you're still waiting for the 1 hour to close. We have 9 minutes left for the 1 hour to close. We have 1 minute left for the 9 minutes left for the 1 hour to close. Yeah, so you need to be extra careful with the buys.
Barefoot walking over stone.
Let me bring the entry a bit down. Let me bring the entry somewhere around here. Let's see. All the You guys are not satisfied with the cell. I'll be running away. Oh. I'm going to watch football. I'll be running away. Subway. To my risk takers, if you feel like taking this risk, over to you. Over to you. Whoa, whoa. Me, I'm not going to take this trade, honestly. I'm not going to take this trade. I'm not going to take this trade. It's already reversing. You see the one is still closing below the zone. Hey, a lot of you guys are aggressive. Gosh. Someone just sent me a setup. Aggressive traders. You don't want to learn from me. Yeah, I'm a calm trader. I wait for my zones, price gets there, we get in. We are done. Like what we did earlier, 200 pips. You see? Even this setup is telling me I have to go and watch football. You see? To hit the SL. It's gone. Back to 1 hour. See, the reason why the buys couldn't hold was because of this 1 hour candle. Because, like I said, you need to wait for the 1 hour candle to close. You need to wait for the 1 hour candle to close so that they can prove that indeed this area would be respected and then to push up. Right? So at this moment, you can still see that the sellers are still strong. Sellers are still strong. And possibly, like I said earlier, this move could close the gap. This move over here could close the gap. This move over here could close the gap. Let's see 4 hour. So the same. Okay, guys. Let's end the session for now. Let's end the session for now. Let's end the session for now. So, Friday will be a bank holiday. So, tomorrow, God willing, I would be on live. Okay, tomorrow, God willing, we'll go again. Tomorrow, God willing, because Friday would be. Because tomorrow, God willing, would be because Friday would be a bank holiday. I'm not expecting much movement. So tomorrow I'll come back on live. Let's analyze the chart together and let's see if we can make some more money on the market. Right. So if you are new here, please you can just hit the link in my bio. Join my Telegram community so that you don't miss any updates whenever I go on live. And my WhatsApp number is right here, as you can see. You can just take the number, reach out to me, right? And we move. Okay. It's been an amazing trading session with you guys, and trust me, we'll be doing more of this. Okay. So if you want more updates, just join my Telegram community. Then we would be trading live as often as we can. All right, guys. So thank you guys once again, and I'll see you all, God willing, tomorrow for another trade session. Have a great evening, guys.